Hi, Sharon here from Down Home Wicks, and I'm here to let you know that bears are back between Thanksgiving and Christmas this year. So if you're looking for a unique gift to give to a friend or a teacher or somebody that you know, especially senior citizens, they love these. It's a no-burn candle. There's no flame, no warmers, nothing. It fragrances the air. All you do is take it out of the bag, leave it. It comes on a little plate. Leave it on the plate. Set it in your room, and it'll cast the fragrance throughout your room. I also have some other gifts that I've been making. Let's make sure I don't block. If you have a crafter in your life that likes to make candles or wants to make candles or doesn't want to invest in all of the equipment, I have a candle refill kit this year that's new. It's 32 ounces. Comes with 6 wicks. It's enough to refill 4 8-ounce candles or a candle of your choice. All you do is put it in the microwave for 3 to 5 minutes, warm it up until it's liquid. Everything's done for you. Their fragrance is already there. The color's already there. All you have to do is pour. Make sure you put it in a microwave safe container on the bottom in case it overflows when you heat it up. This makes a nice gift. I also have regular candles in gift wrap. These are 11 ounces or 12 ounces. Different wrapping. I also carry the regular soy candles in the jelly jars. Whoop. And of course, everyone's favorite is the wax melts. These are $1 a piece. You can find them at the Taylortown Trade Center on Ecorse Road in Taylor, Michigan. So I hope to see you there. We're open every weekend from now until Christmas. Thanks. Bye-bye.